What's going on, everybody? This vlog is just gonna be a series of event that happened leading up to our flight from Maui to the Big Island in Hawaii, and then from the Big Island to LAX. We were just trying to kill time. We checked out at 10 o'clock in the morning, and our flight's not till 3:45 in the afternoon. So instead of talking, let's go check out the clip. The airport, we're gonna go to the Big Island. So our time in Maui has ended. Then we're gonna go back to LAX, and then so if you guys have not subscribed, please do and follow our journey. And if you guys have not seen our previous vlogs, I'm gonna link the descriptions on the playlist down below, and let's go.
Can't stay in this dead-end relation, 'cause it's fading to gray.
Okay, since we checked out of our place, we've been trying to kill time. We got out of there maybe 10 o'clock, and we went to Kahului. Then found that there was a swap meet going on there till about 1 o'clock, so we went there and just kind of browsed around just to kill time. It was hot, really hot, and we bought a couple things. We actually tasted this homemade popsicle, which was really good. It was so delicious. They were made out of real fruits, so we bought that and walked around just to help us cool off. And then I bought another hat from Alpha Maui. Big shout out to Lee, the owner, and bought a couple more things, sunglasses and all that I really liked. And I did not know that I lost the sunglasses I liked when I went cliff diving up in the cliff house. It was so comfortable that when I jumped off, I didn't even know they were off. I didn't even know they were on before I jumped off. So I only found out because I saw the footage from the GoPro. I thought someone stole it, but actually lost it. So somewhere in the sea. So we went back to the swap meets and saw the same exact one. So I got it. I liked it that much. So now we're gonna see what kind of restaurant we can just kill time, maybe eat a little bit of something. The kitchen here in Kahului, it's busy. There's about 45-minute wait right now. So we're gonna look for somewhere else to eat. So we'll see what we can find out.
I feel everything inside me changes over and over again. Can't wait knowing that our love is wasted.
Alright, so we didn't go anywhere. We ended up in Costco to use the bathroom and enjoy the air conditioning while we wait for our flights. I'm gonna go return the car in a little bit, just down the street. So we're just gonna enjoy it. When we got to the airport in Maui, it was actually a blessing in disguise. We were supposed to arrive LAX at midnight, but I went to the wrong airline and checked in the wrong airlines. I was supposed to go to United Airline, and then we have a connecting flight in Maui via Hawaiian Airlines, but I went straight to Hawaiian Airlines. And luckily the nice lady out there checked if they had any available flights from Maui directly to LAX to bypass the Big Island. Luckily they did. Unfortunately, we were in a rush. We had 40 minutes to go through security and make it to our plane. So we were running. Imagine 2 kids, backpacks and the carry-on. So I was not able to record any of this, but it was nice. It was we saved about 6-7 hours, and we came directly to California. So they gave us 6 hours of sleep. So this is the footage that I got from our flight Maui directly to LAX. So Let's look at the B-roll.
I try to fill my mind with anything but him. So caught up in it, so caught up in it. Don't wanna love him anymore. I'm not gaining anything, so why am I still so caught up with him? I wanna lay in my bed, clear from all that's in my head. No, I wanna try something new, live another point of view.